Critters and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to teach you how to make your very own neon glossy slime with only a few ingredients. So let's get on to the supplies you'll need. You will need something to mix with and something to mix in, some water, approximately 2 tablespoons of PVA glue, some puffy paint. You can use normal paint, but this helps add to the gloss. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this helps add to the gloss and gives a really vibrant colour with hardly any. Some activator. I'm using equal amounts of detergent from Lidl to water. And the thing that will make it glossy is baby oil. I'm just using this Johnson's one. And this next ingredient is optional, but it gives a really nice effect, so you can add some glitter if you want, and I just like doing this because it looks pretty. So in a bowl you want to mix 2 tablespoons of PVA glue. You can use white or clear. I'm using this one that's sort of like, it's white glue but it's clear in a way. It has like a clear effect. So you want to add that and then add approximately the same amount of water. So I'm just pouring mine into this. And then you want to stir that well. So once that is mixed together well, you're going to add your puffy paint. This again is optional, but it will give, as I said, a really vibrant colour and with hardly using any. So I'm just using this pink. Just use a squirt and mix that in well. And you can see that already that's giving a really neon effect just from that little squirt. So I'm going to add a little bit more just for that extra neon look, as you can see. So once you've done that, you're just going to add your glitter if you're adding any just now. So I'm using about a capful. This will just give it a nice look. So once you've added the glitter, mix that in. This reminds me of like a grapefruit or something. It's cool. And then we're going to add the ingredient that makes it glossy. So I'm just adding a squirt of baby oil. And you want to mix that in well. Once you've done that, it's time to activate. Once you have fully activated it, you just want to activate it as normal. It should look like this, and you just want to knead any clumps out. As you can hear, that this slime is really good for popping. It's super stretchy and it's super neon. It'll get a lot more glossy if you leave it in the container for a day. But you can see it's glossy. So now for the ASMR time. So as you saw in the ASMR clip, I added this a few little female slices, and I actually made these. So yeah, that's those little female slices, and they're just a nice way to top it off. So I hope you liked this tutorial on how to make your own glossy neon slime. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you're living in a slime life just like me. Bye! When you're finished playing with your slime, don't forget to put it in an airtight container. I forgot to mention this in the start, but this is essential to preserve your slime.